Hello friends, today let's look into the Helpdesk module in Odoo 15. So you can install that module from Odoo App Store and you can find that here. So we have different Helpdesk teams in this module. So they can provide your customers with support to queries or some errors they might encounter while using a company's products or services. So this is a successful schema where you can organize multiple teams in order to help your customers. And for that, here you can see a menu, Helpdesk Teams. So you can configure your teams. And we already have two teams. One is customer care and other one is VIP support. So when you open one team, you can view a lot of details inside the form, including the name of the Helpdesk team. And here we can add assignment and visibility for the team. So here we can set assignment and visibility related to the tickets. So here we already have 5 tickets. So these are the queries asked by the customers, like where can I download a catalog? Then need a treatment for wood, kitchen collapsing, low ski. So here teams can have individual assignment methods to ensure that these tickets get redirected to the right person. So for assigning tickets, we have 3 options. First one is we can manually assign. That is, tickets are manually assigned, allowing employees to manage their own workload and target tickets they are experts at. And here we have the option to randomly assign tickets. So tickets are randomly assigned and everyone gets the same tickets, same amount. That means it ensures that all tickets are handled as an assignment happens automatically. Then the third one, balanced. So in this case, tickets are assigned to the person with the least amount of tickets. So everyone fairly gets the same amount. And here we can add the team members. So for random and balanced assignment methods, you can set the team members among whom tickets are assigned. And you can also leave the field empty to include all employees. And then here we have the option to set the team visibility. So it allows you to specify who can see and can access the team's tickets. So it can be made visible to all users or invited users. And here you can invite the users who can view these tickets. And we can also create tickets by sending an email to an alias. So you have to configure a custom domain and set custom email servers. So this can be done from the general settings. So tickets will be generated when you send email to the alias that you have set. And here you have the option to get in touch with your website visitors using live chat. So after saving the team, you have to refresh the page and you can check the box website form to get tickets through an online form. And you can see some options related to tracking and bill time. So here it's possible to track the time spent on tickets using timesheet and then the time billing. So we can bill the time spent on tickets to your customers. And we can track customer satisfaction on orders. And it's also possible to publish the team's ratings on your website. So for that, you have to just enable this checkbox. And then comes the most important part of Helpdesk, which is SLA policy. So this SLA policy is service level agreement. So these are actually some commitments you will make with your customers to outline how a service is delivered. So it creates a trust between you and your customers, and they can get a clear idea that what need to be done and when. So here you can add the working hours for the team. And then we can let your customers answer some questions on forum. For that, you have to enable community forum. and then we can share videos or presentations and organize it into courses so that can be viewed from e-learning. So we can integrate a help desk with e-learning module. Then here you can find two options related to closing a ticket. So we have the option to automatically close inactive tickets. It is moved to sold state after 7 days of inactivity when tickets are in stage in progress. And we can also allow the customers to close their own tickets. And for your team, you can also view some options related to after sales, like we can issue credit notes when there is a refund, and then we can return faulty products. Then we can grant discounts of free products to the customers. And we have a repairing service, that is, we can send broken products for repair and plan on-site interventions. So you can see most of the features will be activated only after saving the page and refreshing it. So let me save the Steam. Now let's configure service level agreement policies. So here we have two policies already created, like need to reach stage in progress within 16 working hours, then need to finish within 7 days. So we can set a criteria like this policy can be set for a help desk team, and we can set the priority. Then we can apply this SLA policy to a specific ticket type. Then we can add tags. So this SLA policy will be applied to the tickets with this specific tag. Then we can add customers. So if you add customers, then this SLA policies will only be applied to tickets from some selected customers. So I want this to be given to, that is applied to all customers. Then here we can add the target of your service level agreement policy. So here we have already set a target, that is to reach the sold stage in 56 working hours. So we have created two SLA policies for the tickets under the team customer care. Now let's come back to the overview. So from this help desk overview, we can see all the tickets. Like, so here you can see the total number of tickets of Michelin, and we have one ticket with higher priority and 3 urgent tickets. And you can view the average open hours and the failed service level agreement. So you can see for the ticket warranty, you can see the service level agreement deadline was 2 days ago. So here you can find our teams, customer care and VIP support, and you can view the total SLA issues and the unassigned tickets. So here, when you click on these tickets, you can see all the tickets under this team, and we can create a new one. Here we can provide the name of the ticket. And after that, here we can change the assigned person, then the customer for which the ticket is created. You can see some details are automatically added to this form, like email, phone, and if you have any related sale order item, that also can be added. Then here we can add related product. Then here we can choose the type of ticket that you're creating. So it's an issue. Then you can add a priority of issue, and then you can add tags to categorize the ticket. So here I'm marking it as repair. Then here you can give a short description about the problem or issue. So after that, you can save the ticket. So you can see a new ticket is created, and then we can see the deadline of this task. And we can see the deadline of this task is within 4 days, and this need to be started within 2 days. Then we can move this ticket to in progress state, and here we can click on start. So you can see the countdown here, and you can pause, or if you want to stop the work, you can click on stop and mark the duration, that is the time spent on the work. And after providing description, you can save this. So here under timesheet, you can see automatically a line is added. So this indicates the work done by the employee Michelin on the issue, that is to fix leg. So the time taken by the employee is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Then again, you can mark the time. Okay, you can see the timesheet is updated. Then depending upon the help desk team configuration, you can see a lot of buttons here. Like here we can create refund if there is a related invoice for this ticket, and after providing reason and choosing the reversal date, we can reverse the invoice, and there is an option to return the product. So you can choose a return location and return the product. Then we have the option to repair. So when you click on repair, automatically you can see a page to repair the product. So here we can provide the repair description. And here we can change the quantity. Then you can view the customer, delivery address, the ticket, and you can schedule the date. Then the location of the product that need to be repaired. Then the warranty expiration. And if you're creating invoice for the repair, here we can choose the invoice method. You can either create no invoice, or you can create invoice before repair or after repair. Then you can add the invoicing address, then the price list, and now here we can add or remove parts from the product. So I'm adding a new leg. You can save this, and if repairing is done, you can confirm it. Now it is moved to invoice state. Now we can create invoice, can start repair, and then after that we can end repair. So repairing is done. So directly from a ticket, we can request for product repairment. And here we have option to generate coupon. So we can give discounts or rewards to customers. So here I've generated a coupon, 10% discount. And we can make use of this code when creating a sale order. That is, we can apply this code to give discounts. So when you click on that plan intervention, you can see a field service task will be created. So you can create task. And you also have an option to share this ticket on website forum. So there we can ask questions or queries. So now we are directed to the website. Here you can see the forum. So you can see the description is added here, and people can add answers here. So here you can see user is Michelle admin, and he can add the answer and you can post the answer. So we can log in as a different person here. And when this user mark demo opens a forum post, can see the post done by the user Michelle admin. So it's possible to make positive vote or negative vote, or this can be marked as a best answer. So here, Mark Demo have added a positive vote for the answer given by Michelle admin. So using this forum, customers might become more attached to your company because they would be investing time to get into details of your business. So this forum is a nice way because customers might become more attached to your company and they would be investing some time to get into details of your business. And it's also best way to encourage the exchange of experiences and knowledge between people. Now let's log out and log in again as admin. Now if the issue is solved, you can move this to solved stage. So you can see the folded stage solved, under which the ticket fixed leg is added. Then as you have enabled e-learning for our team customer care, it's possible to organize courses. So here, Odoo has automatically created a course customer care. And once the structure and content of your course are ready, you can publish it on website. So we will see about e-learning in a different video. Then here we can find a menu where we can view all tickets. Then my tickets. Then for your team, you can also view the customer satisfaction. That is, when customers rate your team, that also can be viewed. So customers can rate their experience with your team, and this helps to strengthen your credibility and we can gain customers' trust. So this open space given for customers for feedback can help you to improve the quality of your services. Then from this dashboard, you can view the total performance, like by counting the total closed tickets, then the happy rating in percentage, then the success rate. So here for the user Michelle admin, we can set a daily target, like it is two tickets need to be closed and rating must be at least 90 percentage, and success rate 90 percentage. And like other modules, Helpdesk also have a reporting section. So you can find the menu reporting, and we have three types of reporting. We can analyze the tickets, then service level agreement status analysis, and we can also analyze the customer ratings. So reporting allows you to track the trends, then we can identify in what all areas we need improvement, and we can manage the workloads, employees, And by looking at the report, we can see whether we meet customers' expectations. So here we have Helpdesk ticket analysis report. Here by default, these are shown in a graph view. So here we can find our two Helpdesk team, and this shows the count of tickets for each of our team in different stages. So here you can see the tickets in new stage is represented in blue color, and you can see tickets in progress in orange color. So the total number of tickets are grouped by Helpdesk team, and we can analyze this by not only count, but we can choose other measures like hours open, hours spent on tickets, then hours to close, hours to assign, then the rating. And we can group this report by team, stage, type, priority, then status, then the customer, then creation date of tickets, then SLA deadline, then closing date. And this report can also be filtered by a lot of fields, like if you want to view unassigned tickets or urgent tickets, then tickets with high priority, then tickets with SLA success, then the failed tickets can be viewed. So here we have one ticket failed. Then we can view open, closed tickets, then rated tickets. And we can also add custom filters and groups. And we can switch this to different other graphs, like we have line chart, pie chart. And for line chart and bar chart, you have the option to order this in descending and ascending. And we can also switch from graph to pivot table. So this one is a pivot view where details are represented in a pivot table. You can add measures. Then comes a cohort view. Then next comes the SLA status analysis. So you can analyze the SLA status of your teams. So here you can view the SLA status of November 2021. And we can also add fields like time to close and open hours, days to reach SLA. So for the team customer care, we have failed tickets. And then next comes the customer ratings. So here we can view all the ratings done by customers. So these are the reports available in Helpdesk. And here we can find some things that we can configure inside our module. Like if you're creating live chat, you can add canned responses for that. Like if customer message to hello, then we can give an automatic substitution for the message, like hello, how may I help you? So you can create a lot of canned responses here. So customers can get an interactive space.